Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Previously, we've learned how you can add your own logo to your site. But what if you still don't have a logo prepared? No worries, you can actually make one using Wix Harmony's Logo Maker. Let's learn how to use it. So first, let's go to the Add button here and select Elements. And on the search bar, let's type in Logo. And over here, click on Add a Logo. A default logo will be added and we will take care of its positioning later. For now, we will focus on designing it. So click on it and click on Customize Logo. On this small window, click on Create with Logo Maker. Here, input your business name, and if you have a tagline, which is optional by the way, you can also add it here. And based on the info you place here, relevant suggestions will be shown. So feel free to select a logo that you'd like to use. Don't worry if it doesn't really match what you have in mind yet. You can customize it later on. So once you find one that you like, just hover over it and click on Customize, and you'll now be taken to the Logo Maker. So from here, you can work on your logo. So if you basically click on an element of your logo, relevant options will pop up on the left side panel, and from here, you can customize your logo. So here on the left, you also have the templates tab where you can select templates you want to use instead if you in case want to change the one that you selected here. You also have the palette tab where you can select from a palette over here and apply it to your logo. Next, we have the text where you can add more text if you need to. Next, we've got symbols. So if in case you want to change the symbol that you have over here, just go to symbols and look for the symbol that you want to use. And once you find one, simply click on it and it should be added to your page here. So position it properly, and if you'd like to change its colors, for example, you can do that here on the side panel. Apart from that, we've got shapes, images, if in case you want to use images, and then we have the background. So once you're done working on your logo, you'll actually have two options. You can download it or you can apply it to your site. And if you apply it to your site, you can close this window safely and you should see that this logo will be updated to the new logo that we've just created earlier. Here you go. So now you can delete the old logo that you have here. So click on it and hit the delete key on your keyboard. And now you can click on your new logo here and place it where the old logo used to be. So this will now be your new logo. Once you see the attached to header notification, let go of the logo and it'll be attached to your header. And basically, that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.